didn't sign up for DHIS level!
Oh my god, big mistake! I'm so sad!
Today, I'm bringing you the latest update, and with just one click, we're going to prepare this entire setup. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to YouTube and search for the channel Barely Evolved. This channel currently has around 96,000 subscribers and has uploaded only 3 videos so far. Now let's talk about monetization. Yes, this channel is fully monetized and is earning approximately 1.4K per month. If you look at the views, you'll notice that the videos have gained massive traction in a very short time. The category of this channel is education, and right now it is a highly trending niche. One of their videos uploaded months ago has already reached 8.3 million views. By analyzing their main character style and video format, you can easily replicate a similar strategy and monetize your own channel. Overall, this channel is performing extremely well, both in terms of views and engagement. The character design is also very appealing and plays a big role in its success. Now, without wasting any more time, let's move to today's main topic. First, let's talk about prompts. I have already prepared scene-by-scene prompts, including 10 image prompts, 10 video prompts. The theme I selected is Crazy Desert Survival Comedy. These prompts are designed to save you time and effort. You don't need to create anything from scratch. Everything is ready. You'll find all the prompts in the description and comments. Simply copy and paste them, and your niche setup will be ready. You can go through each scene one by one. Image prompts. Video prompts, including voiceovers. Each scene includes elements like anger, survival, finding weapons, and comedic moments. The structure is very engaging and professionally designed. I've generated these prompts in a highly optimized way, and once again, you can monetize content created using these prompts, images, and videos. Now what I'll do is copy all these prompts and place them into a document file. That same document will be available in the description so you can easily access it with one click and copy everything. As you can see, I've already organized and highlighted image prompts, video prompts. Now let's generate our first image. I'll copy the first prompt and move to the most important website that I personally use daily for image generation, Flow AI. Here's what you need to do. 1. Click on Create with Flow. 2. Click on New Project. You can use Nano Banana 2, which is 100% free. The pro version exists, but I personally use the free version for generating images. After setting everything up, I paste my first prompt. Then I click on Generate. After waiting for a few seconds, boom! The first image is ready, and it looks absolutely amazing. The character is smooth, high quality, and very engaging. This shows that the prompt is working perfectly. Now, without wasting time, I repeat the same process for all scenes. Copy scene 2, paste, generate. Copy scene 3, paste, generate. Continue this process up to scene 10. I pasted all 10 prompts into Flow AI, and the images started generating one by one. And as you can see, all images are now ready. Each image is unique, high quality, consistent in character design. This is very important. Even though the scenes are different, the character remains consistent, which is crucial for storytelling and branding. Now I download all the important images in 2K quality, because higher quality is essential when converting them into videos. After downloading all images, we move to the most important step, video creation. Alright viewers, now for the video creation part, I have opened the website Dijiun AI. As you already know, this website is 100% free, so there's absolutely no need to worry. All you have to do is sign up with your email, and it will automatically add 150 credits daily to your account. That's why I personally use this platform. It's free and extremely powerful in every aspect. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, I go to the Describe Your Video section. Here, I upload my first image. After uploading the image, I enter a proper video prompt, the same one from my prepared prompts. Make sure you select RM 3.1 Turbo, because it is completely free and gives excellent results. Now I click on the Generate button. As you can see, my image to video generation has started. It will take around 3 minutes, so just wait a little. And here we go. After a short wait, you can see that my first video is ready.
Where am I? And why is everything sand?
Viewers, pay close attention. This is very important. Oh my god. With voiceover and trending quality, the video looks absolutely amazing. The output is clean, engaging, and perfectly optimized. Now I move to the second image. Again, I upload the image, add a strong prompt, click on generate. Once again, I wait for around 3 minutes. And now you can see my second image to video is ready.
I survived! I actually survived!
Also with voiceover. Just look at this. The short video is created in such a professional and trending style. Now, I repeat the same process for the third image. I upload it, add a good prompt, and click on generate. This time it may take around 4 minutes. And after waiting, boom! My third video is also ready. So far, I've shown you 3 complete examples. Using this method, you can create unlimited videos, 10, 15, 20, even 25 videos. Each video only consumes around 20 credits. And since you get 150 credits daily, you can consistently create content every single day. Now, I simply download these videos. Next, for the remaining images, I switch back to Flow AI. In my opinion, Flow AI is one of the best tools for both image and video generation, and I highly recommend it to everyone. Here's what I do. Select the next image. Add a strong prompt. Click on Generate. Then I repeat the same steps for the next image. As you can see, both videos are now generating simultaneously. After a short wait, both image to video outputs are ready. Let me play them for you one by one.
Oh my god, big mistake! I'm so sad! Oh no!
It's okay. Everything's okay now. Dance! And yes! Victory!
You can clearly see that both videos are created in a highly engaging and trending style. Now I download both of them. After downloading, the next step is video editing. For this, we open CapCut. Now, import all the videos. Drag and drop them into the timeline. Arrange them in the correct sequence, scene by scene. Once everything is aligned, you may notice a watermark logo, like DigiArt AI. To remove it, simply use the scale option and adjust the frame. And just like that, you now have a clean, professional video with a consistent character. Now let's preview the final result. After reviewing the final video, I click on the export option. And that's it. Your video is now fully ready. You can upload it directly to your YouTube channel. So, viewers, I hope you really liked today's idea. This method is highly trending and can help you grow fast. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel because your support means a lot. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful idea. Goodbye.